you're looking for homes on the south side of Houston, then I think you're going to like today's video. We are in Sienna, back again. Last week we were in Sienna checking out Toll Brothers and Highland, but today we are checking out Newmark Homes. They're very brand new model here in their latest 50-foot section. I'm excited to show it to you because it's brand new. They just finished the model. So I like to keep you updated on all things new in the amazing communities such as Sienna here in Missouri City. So we are here taking a look at the Newmark 50-foot section, the Pozzolana plan, and we're here. So this is a great two-story plan. They have had it around, but they have just newly built this one, and Sienna is just continuing to grow. I mean, such as this section right here in Sienna. They've just had a ton of lot sales happen over the last few weeks. So this particular section of homes is really growing. So if you are interested in this section, starts around the 500s, mid 500s or so for 1 and 2 story plans here, and they're halfway done pretty much in this section. They will have more sections, but with this particular one, they are moving at it really quick. So we're right across from the school. They've got loads of inventory homes happening that direction behind me, and they're moving at a really rapid, fast pace. So if you are looking for a home in Sienna here, Newmark is fantastic. They're really great with the quality of builds that they have. Their plans are unique. So I love that about them. If there's a unique plan that I can show you, it may not be everybody's cup of tea or laid out exactly how you would like, but it fits what some people are looking for. And so I am here to show you plans that you might be interested in. So if you're ready, let's go take a look at these. Alrighty, welcome to the Pozzolana plan. So you may think that the left-hand side of the house is actually part of the inside of the house. It's not, which you will see here very shortly. 2813 square feet. We're talking about a 4-bed, 2.5 bath. There's a study and a game room upstairs, and then there's a courtyard, which you see right here. And then as the view turns towards the front again, you will see this space here, which is considered an unfinished storage space. So that is actually not the front of the house. That's a little extra storage space. Let me know what you think about this plan. It is very unique with the master up towards the front. Usually the master is in the back with new builds. Let me know what you think. Enjoy.